I left a real human tooth in Coca-Cola for an entire week, and the results under a microscope were absolutely horrifying. Stick with me, because what I'm about to show you, hour by hour, might make you rethink your next soda. This right here is a real extracted human tooth. The enamel is perfectly healthy and strong, and this is a bottle of regular Coca-Cola. The same stuff millions of people drink every single day. We've all heard dentists warn us about how bad soda is for our teeth. But what does that actually look like? I mean, really look like, up close, at a microscopic level. I decided to find out for myself. So, I'm setting up this experiment, and I'm going to document the entire transformation for a full week. Let's see what happens. Alright, day 1. To the naked eye, the tooth looks pretty much the same, but let's get it under the microscope. Whoa, okay, you can already see these tiny bubbles fizzing on the surface. That's the phosphoric acid at work. For context, the pH of Coke is around 2.5, which is incredibly acidic. That's not too far off from battery acid. We're essentially watching the very first stage of enamel erosion. Fast forward to day 3. The change is now obvious. The tooth has become noticeably darker, and you can see this brown staining starting to seep into the enamel. It's no longer a clean white. Now let's look at it under magnification. Remember that smooth, shiny surface from day 1? It's gone. The enamel now looks rough and pitted. It's like a cobblestone street. The acid is literally dissolving the calcium right out of the tooth. Now we're at day 5. And this is where it starts to get genuinely disturbing. The enamel surface looks like a lunar landscape. It's filled with craters and deep erosion. It's hard to believe this was once a smooth, hard surface. And now, day 7. I'm pulling the tooth out of the Coke, and the transformation is insane. It's a dark, sickly brown color, and it feels soft and almost chalky to the touch. But the real shock is under the microscope. The beautiful crystalline structure of the enamel. It's completely broken down. It looks like corroded, rusted metal. Those pristine layers of protection are just gone. So here's the crucial takeaway. Your saliva is amazing. It's your body's natural defense, constantly working to neutralize acid and remineralize your enamel. But if you're constantly sipping on soda throughout the day, your mouth never gets a break. It's in a state of constant acid attack. One can of soda with a meal isn't the root of the problem. It's the frequency. And for those of you thinking, I'll just switch to diet soda, I have bad news. It's just as acidic. It isn't the sugar that causes this level of erosion. It's the acid itself. Every sip is like giving your teeth a little acid bath. So, after seeing this, are you still thirsty? Thanks for watching this experiment with me. If you found this eye-opening, do me a favor and hit that like button. And subscribe for more videos, where we take a closer look at the world around us. See you in the next one.